Hi guys, so today in this video I will show you what this type of blinking red light means on a Greenworks battery charger and the steps that you can take in order to get the battery charging again. So first off, you need to think about where the battery has been. If it was sitting in the direct sunlight or inside the hot garage or outside the freezing temperatures, the battery management system may block charging to protect the cells. So you need to simply bring the battery indoor and allow it to return to the room temperature before trying again. Now after doing this, you just have to simply remove the battery from the charger completely, and then you just have to simply wait for at least 30 seconds. After doing so, you just have to simply reinstall it firmly. Now sometimes the battery doesn't make proper contact with the charger rails, that cause the charger to report a fault when even though the battery itself is fine. Now you can also simply inspect the metal contacts on both the battery and the charger. You can also look for any type of dirt or glass debris, corrosion or moisture. Even a small amount of contamination can interfere with the charging communication, and it can then trigger the blinking red warning. So once you have done that, you just have to simply press the battery charge indicator button if it is equipped, and then let the battery sit disconnected for both the tool and the charger for several minutes. So this won't factory reset the battery, but it can help clear the temporary protection states on some of the Greenworks battery packs. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working again. Thank you.